We live in a world where everyone shares everything. Their food, their vacations, their face from every angle. And if it's not posted, it almost feels like it didn't happen. But then there's that one person. They never post their photos. No selfies, no updates, no "look at me." And here's the uncomfortable truth. They might be the most powerful person in the room. Let's talk about the real reason why some people don't post their photos. And no, it's not shyness. It's not insecurity. It's not that they don't have a life. The real reason is much deeper. They don't need to be seen to feel real. Most people post because of something called external validation. For every like, every comment, every notification, it gives a small dopamine hit. Your brain starts to connect. Attention equals value. Over time, you stop living for the moment and start living for the reaction. But the people who don't post, they operate differently. They have something psychologists call an internal locus of control. That means their sense of worth comes from inside, not from numbers, not from followers, not from strangers online. They don't think, how will this look? They think, how does this feel? That's a huge difference. There's another reason. They understand something most people don't. Social media is performance. The perfect angle, the perfect caption, the perfect timing. By the time you post it, the moment is gone. Some people notice that shift. And when they feel it, they put the phone down. Because they don't want to perform their life, they want to live it. Now here's the main reason. The real one. Not posting is about identity. When you constantly post your photos, you slowly create a public version of yourself, a digital character. And once that character is built, you feel pressure to maintain it. To look the same, act the same, live the same. But people who don't post, they refuse to turn themselves into a brand. They keep their identity fluid, private, unboxed. They grow without an audience watching. And that freedom, it's powerful. There's also something else. Mystery. 4. In a world where everyone is visible, invisibility becomes rare, and rare things feel valuable. When someone never posts, you don't know everything about them. You can't scroll through their life. And strangely, that makes their presence stronger, because mystery creates depth. But let's be honest, not everyone who doesn't post is confident. Some are tired of comparison, tired of judgment, tired of feeling like they are never enough. And stepping back becomes protection. That's not weakness, that's self-awareness. Here's the paradox. We think being seen makes us important. But real confidence is knowing you don't need to be watched. If you can enjoy your dinner without photographing it, if you can travel without announcing it, if you can grow without updating everyone, that's emotional security. So next time you see someone who never posts their photos, don't assume they're hiding. Maybe they've just learned something most people haven't. That life feels different when it's not performed. And sometimes, the strongest identity is the one that doesn't need proof. Now I want to ask you something honest. When you post a photo, are you sharing joy, or are you asking to be seen? There's no judgment, just awareness. Because once you understand your reason, you understand yourself. If this made you think, share it with someone who lives quietly. And tell me in the